Happy Monday. It's another episode of Day in the Life. Wasn't even going to record today. I stayed up really late editing content for probably a video you already seen. And I was like, all right, I'm going to take today off. I'm going to work. Today's just been a great day, great energy, great vibes. So I said, you know what? I'm going to record. I'm going to record something for y'all today. So another day in the life. I have just been doing a lot of admin work. I have a few people to follow up with for just insurance in general, closing some deals. I made a post on my Instagram today for like just updates. I did a photo shoot over the weekend, the photo shoot I was telling you about, and I was just posting some stats from my business. Peep the logo. My assistant really killed the game with this, like the logo at the bottom. Yeah, he ate that up. So now I'm just doing some work and getting some things sent out to some clients that are hitting me up for random things. All right, so I went ahead and submitted that to the life insurance company. So they should be reaching out in the next few days to do the tele application. And if you don't hear anything, I'll follow up with you and then give you the information to reach out to them. It won't take long, but I'll keep you updated every step of the way. And thank you again so much for always trusting me with your insurance needs.
Thank you so much for helping me out.
Just closed that life insurance deal for my client. I did her homeowner's insurance. She was a referral back in March, closed on her house, and now I did her life insurance. Also over the weekend, Saturday morning, I closed 2 deals, 2 auto insurance. They were both pretty solid premium as well. And now I'm working on a few renewals and listening to some music. So I'm gonna jam out for a little bit while I get through these renewals. It's been a crazy day, y'all. 2 of my life insurance apps, husband and wife, approved today. I got a referral for event insurance that I need to work on. And then also, I just had a client, I did her and her husband's homeowner's insurance. She just reached out and said, where the heck is that email? She said, good afternoon. My name is, I was referred to you by my fiance. You helped us find homeowners insurance. I was wondering if you were able to give me a quote for car insurance. Of course I'm able to give you a quote. So I'm going to send her the information that I need and thank her for even thinking about me. I've gotten a lot of referrals today, but I will say, like, it's crazy every day. I get so many referrals from just kind of all over the place, for real. It's no specific place. It's just social media, referral partners, current clients, a little bit of everywhere. So I am very grateful for that. All right, y'all. I'm about to call the prospect looking for life insurance. I had another referral come in on my website as well. And then event insurance I gotta do. Let's see when I said, yeah, I'm gonna call her.
Your call has been forwarded to an automated voice message.
Let's try that again.
Your call has been forwarded to an automated voice messaging system.
So while I wait for her to reply, because she just texted me and was like, hey, call me. And then I did, and it went to voicemail. So I will work on this event insurance application. This was from, or policy, excuse me. This was from an agent in South Carolina. We work pretty well together, honestly. He sends me a lot of deals and certain things he can't do. He'll let me write it. I try to give him tips here and there. So I am going to do this now. All right, she said call again, so I'm gonna put that on hold. All right.
Hello.
Hey, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
I am doing well. How's your Tuesday going?
It's going.
I
I
know.
clocked out a little early, so.
Thank you so much for reaching out on the website or DMs, I can't even remember, for insurance. I really do appreciate it. I wanted to talk to you about life insurance, like for 2 minutes, just to give you an overview. Do you know the difference between like whole life and term insurance?
No. So I guess what would a higher payment look like for whole life?
Yeah. Give me a budget and I can kind of tell you. Because I can literally put it in by the budget. Looking at $132,909 for a death benefit, and that's for $75 a month. Great meeting. I am going to take some notes and set a follow-up for like a week just to see what she wants to do. Hopefully she wants to move forward, fingers crossed. She's young, she has a brand new daughter, and of course once we talk to her about her insurance, I'm going to talk to her about her daughter's insurance as well. Her daughter's 5 months, so I mean, like, this is the time to get that going. It's literally going to be dollars for her daughter, so gonna go ahead and document all of this, work on the event insurance, and then go get my lighting. It's in the shed outside for my mentorship program in an hour. Let's get it. Hopping on to the mentorship program tonight. I'm doing one-on-one sessions, and it is 6:30 on the dot, so I'm gonna go ahead and let her in. I'm very excited.
Excuse me.
You're fine. How you doing?
I'm doing well. How are you?
I'm doing well. How's your day going?
It's busy.
Busy. Good. Congratulations.
And I'm about to, thank you. And I'm about to sit for my property and casualty exam this week.
So you've been working?
I've been working. Yes.
I love it. I love it. And what was your goal with getting your insurance license and already, being a CFP? What's like your goals with all that? Happy Wednesday. I got up at like 6 o'clock this morning, did a lot of work, fell back asleep, and then woke up, did some work, showered, and now I'm here. I have a meeting. Someone reached out on the website yesterday for life insurance, so I'm going to work on that right now. I'm meeting with him in a few minutes. He said he had a few questions. Going to see if we can get him to get some quotes and things like that. And then also, I had a few referrals for like homeowners insurance, business insurance, and then a realtor reached out to me to see if I wanted to be a part of their event. It's like with the mortgage lender and realtor helping people like with the home buying process, and of course insurance is a part of the home buying process. And I said I'd be honored to, so I am working to be a part of that event. Well, I am a part of that event, and she actually sent me a referral earlier this week. I didn't really know who it was at first, and then she sent me the flyer. I'm like, oh yeah, I remember you from the event. So that was really cool. So good things happening as always, and trying to get some of these life insurance policies issued before the end of the month and paid so I can hit that next tier. For the bonus, I hit the $2,000 tier. I'm trying to get to the $4,000 tier. And that's like on top of the commission is that bonus. So we're gonna see if we can I am gonna get there. I'm gonna try my hardest to get there. And I have a lot of policies in the pipeline right now, and a lot of policies that I have to, or applications I have to submit. So I know I can get there. It's a matter of just them issuing. And they've been a tad bit slower than usual. So I've been staying on top of them, calling them back to back saying, hey, why has this not happened yet? And then they'll go ahead and push it through just so we can make sure. I'm trying to do this now, not the last week of June when it's too late. Great presentation with the client or the prospect that reached out, and he said give him to this afternoon. He was talking about him and how he wants to like just have something for his child that he just had and his wife if something happens. So then I talked to him about getting insurance for him, and then when I gave him the rates for his budget, he was very surprised of how much he could get. And then I'm also sending him a quote for his child. His child is 2 years old, and I was kind of explaining the importance of you need to get a whole life for your child now. They're 2. It's going to be a lot cheaper, a lot more affordable if you do it now, opposed to them being 25, 30 years old, now trying to get a policy for themselves. That's how you create generational wealth. With one of my carriers, I'm listed as like an elite member. So I have people reaching out, and it's so weird. I had this guy from California moving to the East Coast, and he reached out and got my phone number and was like, hey, I saw you on their website as an elite member and wanted to get a quote through that carrier for my new home in North Carolina. And I'm like, of course, great. I didn't know. I kind of knew that was a thing because I received like inquiries before, but I think that's really cool how they do that. And I want to see if I can put myself in different areas of North Carolina to see, to gain more business. So I'm working on this homeowner's quote and also working on this flyer, like last minute alterations, so I can post the flyer for my event coming up June 20th.
Haley, how are you doing, buddy?
What's up, man? How are you?
I'm living a dream, trying to be like you. I got a guy, I know you promote your luxury division pretty heavily.
Yeah.
I got a guy that we got his other vehicles, but he decided to put a Bentley in his personal name.
Okay.
And I ain't got nobody that's going to touch a Bentley on the personal side. I got a couple of his Lamborghinis on the commercial side, that's fine.
Yeah.
But I can't do it personal wise.
Like look around, call some underwriters and see who's able to do like that caliber of car.
Got it.
Gotcha. And then
He's currently with Liberty Mutual.
Okay.
On his personal vehicles.
I gotcha. Cool. And you can either text it to this number or I can give you my email as well, whatever is easier for you.
Thank you, sir.
All right, thank you, man. Have a good one.
Yes, sir.
All
You
right,
as well.
bye. That was a referral, but he owns an insurance agency. Well, I think his dad does. I went to high school with him, and he just sent me a referral. Social media, y'all, is powerful. We don't speak or anything, but I always show him love on social media and things like that. So always promote yourself. Promote yourself. It's been a hectic day. I haven't recorded much because I've been a little all over the place, doing a little bit of this, doing a little bit of that. I still have a lot of admin things to do that I'm trying to get together. It's a lot of moving parts. So I'm going to have an event this weekend as well and some other things. So it's a lot of moving parts to all of this. One of my clients just called and told me, or texted me, and told me that she just finished her application, her tele app for her life insurance application. So completed tele app. So I put that in the system, and then I'm going to follow up with underwriting on honestly tomorrow to see what else they need to issue the policy or approve the policy. Hey, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I am doing well, finishing up some work for the day. What's up?
So I met with Heather today, and
Yes.
she said she looked you up. So she said that she is going to refer you to some of the local commencements here.
Oh wow!
Since you're starting up your business, and it's like a new company, so to speak.
Yeah.
But she was like, she said she was going to give you a call, but I wanted to be the first one to you.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. It all worked out. Yeah, she was really sweet, and she was needing very particular things. And I know certain companies and contracts, they're very particular. So I didn't mind going back and forth and editing because I know you need that to get your money. So I wasn't worried. I wasn't concerned at all. So yeah, it was fine.
Networks a lot. So when I was talking to her today, she was like, I'm going to put you on with this person and this person and this person. I was
thank
like,
you.
oh, crap.
I appreciate it.
Yeah. I told her, I've been working with Kendra since I started my company. So
and likewise, I feel like, let me see when did you originally come with me? Because it's been a while.
Yeah, I think it's going on about 2 years now that we've been together.
I've been in business 2.5 years. So I started, let me see. Yep, because I started January of 2021. So I've been doing this.
I did too, and then I think we linked up a few months after that.
Yep, we did. Let's see. Yep, we did. We did in November of 2021. So we were both still fresh in business and seeing each other grow. I love it. And they need a COI or proof of insurance or anything, you can always just text me, email me, or call me, and I'll send that right over to you.
Okay, I sure will. Thank you so much.
All right, thank you. I appreciate it.
No problem. Have a good day.
You too. Bye. So that was one of my clients that I've been with been with me for a very long time, and essentially the lady that is contracting her that does the contract work, I guess. So she's a cleaning company and she contracts cleaning companies. She said she's going to start sending me a lot of business. She looked me up and she wanted to support my business. So that is very exciting. Very exciting. Happy Friday, everyone. Happy Friday. I hope your week has been amazing. I hope you have reached goals that you set for yourself this week. Right now, I'm about to hop on a call with my assistant. He is doing a presentation on ways to market the agency and how we can grow it. So we are hopping on that now. Hold on 1 second before we even start. Hold on. Gotta get some content.
Yeah, go for it.
I always gotta get the content. Boom. All right, I'm ready. My thing with that is that I know LinkedIn, they do a lot of like, not spamming, but I have people that reach out to me all the time, and 100% of the time I delete the messages because I know it's not, you know what I mean? So personally, just from my experience, I don't think that just like messaging people would go far because they're getting a ton of messages from different people, from recruiters and things like that.
Well, that's a good point since you already have experience with it.
This is the end of the video. I have to go get groceries, call this prospect about life insurance, send off an email to another prospect about homeowners insurance, clean up my house. If you made it this far in the video, put some blue heart emojis in the comment box below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell for my latest notification because a lot of you are not subscribed, but you're watching my content. So let me know that you're subscribed in the comment box below as well. Always like leave a comment regardless, because a lot of you tell me, oh, I watch your videos, but then I don't see any comments from you all. So show me some love in the comment box below. Again, my name is Kenny J, the insurance guru, and this is Kenny J TV.